Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So I am back with another Leetcode Daily Challenge and it is Leetcode number 171 Excel sheet column number. It is an easy level question and I also feel the same. So the question is given a string column title that represent the column title as appear in an Excel sheet. Return its corresponding column number. Okay, so you are given a string. Okay, let's say it is AB. So AB is the 20th column of an Excel sheet. Okay, you can open Excel and you can search it out. Okay, so if we see this some example like A is 1, AB is 28, ZY is 701. Okay, it is present in the 701 column. The title of the ZY is at 701. Okay, position 701 column. So you have to find like that. Now you are given the string column title string length can go up to 7. Column title only consists of uppercase English letter and column title is in range of A to FXSHRXW. Okay, and here it is not given that it will overflow or integer or not, so we'll let consider it is in means in integer. Okay, now how to do it? Before I tell you the intuition, you have to observe something like there are 26 alphabet in English letter from 1 to Z, and if you try to make it to like A and something, then it will be again all these 26 alphabets have 26 more. Okay, 26 more a letter. Okay, so if an alphabet is at this position, let's say first one is okay, so let's say first one is A, not okay, it is A and this one is B. Okay, so and there is another one. Let's just see. Okay, so let's take a simple example. Oops. Okay, so let's take an example like A, B, and C. If you are given a string like A, B, C, what do we have to do? We need to travel this from backside from this to this. Okay, why? Okay, so I will let me explain you. Like, see, if you are attending like it is A and B, what its output? If you see here, it is 28. How it will come 28? B, what is B? B is 2. Okay, we are taking here from 1 to 20. So, okay, not from 0 to 25. We have to take from 1. Okay, so it is 2. What is A? It is 1. Okay, now our its answer is 28. So you can observe that if I multiply A by 26 and B by 0, so and then add them, so what is the answer? It is 28. Okay, now I hope you have understood like why I asked you to travel it from backside. Though you can travel it from left to right, but it is quite easy to handle this case. Okay, and if let's say there is another number like C, then it is what is its value? C value is 3. Okay, so 3 into 26. Look here, it is not 0, actually it is 1. Okay, because we have to take power of 26 to the power x we have to take. Okay, and this x is earlier, it is here, it is 0, then here it is 1, and here it is 2. So if we track back from the back side, it is easier to handle this cases. So it is 26 power 2. Okay, now similarly for this example also we will do the same. We will take we will first of all go from here, and we will, what is the C is 3 into what is my current value, means this what is the position? It is from back, it is at the 0th position, so it is 26 by 0. 26 by 0 is 1. So my sum is come out to be initially it's come out to be it is 3 into 1, so it is 3. Then you come here, it is B. Okay, now your this x means this power value is going to increase. Okay, so it is 26 by 1. So it is 26 by 1. Now you can calculate whatever it is, 26 into 26. So whatever it will be, like here y, and let me consider as y, and then it is 1 into 26 into 2. So it will be again come to something like it is 26. So it is 26 into 2, it is 52. Okay, and this part is 26 into 26, and into 1 it will be 26 into 26, so it was into 26 into 26. Then we have to add all this thing. Okay, so this is our final answer. So we have to do this thing uh, one by one till the string get exhausted. Okay, so very simple question, just you need to understand this mathematical thing. Now let me show you the code. Okay, so I have taken an to store this column title size, and I have taken the p, which is the power. Like here I have told you to 26 in power x, so this p will indicate this x. Okay, now my current answer is 0. I will travel, as I told you, I will travel it from back. Then I will simply take out my character, like which character, and this is minus a plus 1, so it will be, if it is a, so a minus a is 0, plus 1 is 1. Okay, now it will store a integer and ch, and as I told you, I will take this 26 into x, so I have called this power function. Okay, and I just into it with this value, like here it is 3 into 26 to the 0. So the first time it will, if for abc, it is 26 by 0 into 3. Then I add to the current, and I just increment my answer. Okay, so this is the code, and I have, and I, if I show you abc also, then if I run it, then you can see it is given in 731, and it is correct. Okay, let me submit the code. Okay, accepted, and hope you understand the video. Just a simple mathematical concept and some observation. So I will see you tomorrow. Till then, goodbye.